The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 23, effective until 6 p.m. This watch includes the following county: San Luis Obispo, California, and the following marine locations: the waters from Point Petrus Blancas to Point Arguello and westward 60 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, for internet sources